All right, we're gonna open up the old Pepsi Peeps box. See what we got.
Okay, that's probably good. Now just get your thumb in there.
Yeah, just get your thumb in there. There you go. What we got there?
Ta-da!
Okay, so we got.
What kind is it?
Hold it up.
It doesn't say. Oh, here it is.
It's just pink.
Pink Peeps.
But there's look, there's a. Oh,
And we got
Let's
some
see.
blue,
blue. Okay. I thought there was different flavors.
yellow.
Just different colored cans.
Mm-hmm.
I guess so.
What else is in
I'm
there?
getting. Okay, we got
All
some Peeps.
right, we got some actual Peeps in the box.
I'm getting some.
I think that's it, baby.
There's nothing else.
All right. And we got some of that magical grass that messes up your house.
Yes. Which we'll go
All right,
inside.
so we got some Peeps. Got the yellow. Got the pink. It doesn't have anything on it, so I don't guess it's different flavors. I think it's just Peep flavor. All right, boys.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be.
Line up 4 of them little cups.
Okay, 1, 2.
All right, crack one open, Mama. Pour us all up a little sample.
Oh, it's brown.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look like Pepsi, baby.
But it's gonna taste a bit different. Okay.
All right, boys, you go ahead. Let's see what y'all think.
Fizzy.
Fizzy.
It actually starting to taste like Peeps, and it's got, it's fizzy like he said. It tastes sort of like a marshmallow.
Okay,
It tastes
your
like
turn, guys.
marshmallow flavor.
All right, Mama, check it out, Stephanie.
Mmm.
What do you think, Ezra? Is it just sweet to you, and that's it?
Mm.
Huh?
It's very fizzy.
Very fizzy?
Yes.
Mmm. Cheers.
Fizzy. Fizzy.
Yeah, it tastes like Pepsi with like an aftertaste of marshmallow.
Marshmallow?
It like lingers.
Oh,
It's
baby.
the after. I mean, it doesn't taste bad. I wouldn't want to drink like a big old glass of it by any means. but, like,
I would.
Daddy, your turn.
All right, buddy.
Or do you want me to video you?
Let's see. All right, let's try it out. I like Peeps, but that's because they're marshmallow. I like Diet Pepsi.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think the aftertaste is. It's kind of like frosting in a can. You think? Do you get that?
Yeah. But like marshmallow frosting in a can.
Yeah, like marshmallow frosted in a can.
It's
Yeah.
time for
Well, I think I'll stick with my Diet Pepsi, but it was nice to try it out and get it and win it.
Next can.
No, I think we're just gonna do the yellow because
Yeah, we'll save the other 2 samples so we can let some of our friends try it.
Yeah.
How about that?
and then
But we do have some nice, delicious Peeps that are
oh my goodness, so grabby.
not Pepsi flavored, so that's fine.
Oh, can I have one?
Mmm.
All right, on that note, we'll let y'all go. Like I said, if you like marshmallows, this might be your thing, but if you don't like marshmallows, you'll hate it.
This Peeps is for you.
Oh, that's the tail end. Here you go.
Or you boys can both have 2.
Thanks.
Mmm.
All right, guys.
What do you think, April?
It's disgusting.
But yeah, you had to go back for seconds. What about Ali?
He loves it.
Oh, he loves it. He's gonna drink what's left, aren't you?
It's like his 3rd glass, man.
Way to represent. You don't really like the taste of it, do you?
It's okay.